Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card reading. How your May, the month of May, will be. Yes, friends, I am early with this reading as always, and these are the charms we'll be using also today. So, this will be a very in depth reading, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share, friends. Subscribe, like, share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, friends, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com, friends. And this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate, so don't worry if it doesn't. And also, this is a future prediction, so this hasn't happened yet, so be patient with it. And also, friends, make sure to subscribe, like and share, because you get a chance to win a free reading. One person is selected, so subscribe, like and share. And what else? You can horoscope readings are coming shortly also for May, and also the Hindi Urdu versions of these readings will also be coming quickly with the charms. Yes. So what's happening astrologically in May? Oh my god, it's a big month. Why? Because firstly, happy birthdays Gemini. Sun will be going into Gemini in the month of May, and also a lot will be happening actually in May. Let's see. Mercury will be moving into Gemini, Venus will be moving into Gemini, Jupiter will be moving into Pisces. Also, there is a Saturn retrograde in this May. Yes, friends. Nobody wants that. But yes, it will cause a big shift in our world. So yes, Saturn will be retrograde. And there is a full moon eclipse also in this month around the 26th. And yes, so a lot is happening in this month actually. So, and Mercury will be also going retrograde by the end of this month. So thankfully that's at the end of this month. So that's what is happening astrologically. So let's jump into this reading. I have flowers today because April shower brings May flowers. So that's the theme today. So let's take a deep breath. Relax, take a deep breath, friends, and choose option number 1, this beautiful pink rose. Option number 2, this beautiful yellow rose. Option number 3, this beautiful blue rose. So relax, take a deep breath, friends, and choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section, so you can directly go and skip there. You can also choose more than one option, and you can also watch the entire reading, friends. So yes. So friends, if you choose option number 1, let us see what is coming for you in the month of May. This beautiful pinky rose, it's so pretty. I just love it. It even matches with my nail paint, kind of, I feel. Let's see for how your month of May will be. These are your oracle messages and some advice and love cards. And I will be pulling some charms also for you. Let's see, friends, how your month of May will be. Let's begin. Oh, wow. Okay, the first thing I'm feeling is like you may find this month is a bit, you may feel this is a bit slow month for you, friends, pile number 1, because I see, it may start on a slow note for you, or you will be like resting or something, or like maybe wherever you are, life is a bit dull around you. Not like you are feeling dull, no. It's just that you are, life around you is a bit slow. Things are a bit slow, study, and you kind of start the month of May feeling a little bored. Also, I feel at the start of May you may also be needing rest. I don't know if you are resting right now or not, because I feel there is a need for you right now to take some rest, friends, because I see you are working very hard. So take some rest, relax, enjoy life. We can always achieve our dreams tomorrow. There is always time for everything in life, so don't worry about things. I do feel when you start the month of May, you will be like, yeah, postponing some decisions, taking, it will start on a slower note for you, almost to the point like you are like, I'm bored, I don't know what to do. And some of you could also be taking some rest to, get, improve your health or boost, your, health or your mind, just taking some rest, making rest an important part of your life. Five of Pentacles, yeah. I do feel, life is not going well for you right now, pile number one, because you are doing everything alone right now. That's so sad. I feel bad for you, friends. I do feel you are struggling right now, maybe in financial issues, or maybe finding the right kind of support, right kind of people, right kind of clients, help, you are doing things alone. It is like, people have deserted you or something like that. So I do feel that this will change. This is your current energy in April, but this is going to change. This is like this. This is how you feel right now, alone and struggling, in need of some extra loving care, some extra hugs and cuddles. And this month of May is like, yes, it's bringing the cuddles, it's bringing what you want. It's just a temporary pause. It's not a no. What is this Five of Pentacles about? Let's clarify. What is this Five of Pentacles about for pile number one? Oh, letter. So definitely you are trying to, you definitely need or waiting, you are waiting for some person's messages or some, news about an exam or job, or some confirmations for a job call, or you are waiting to travel somewhere but you can't. So there is this energy of wait definitely involved in the month of April, but I see it, shifting very quickly into the May. Things will definitely shift positively for you, and there you will start this month on a slower note, May, but let's see what else will happen. Oh wow, that's interesting. I do feel this month you will be manifesting very much, friends. Your focus is on manifesting, your focus is on learning new things, your focus is also on finding new solutions to past problems. I also feel some of you are definitely starting a new project, or like a job, or you're trying to manifest more money, trying to manifest more happiness in your life, or support, or you're trying to manifest your work. Definitely you are very busy trying to, if you don't know how to manifest, you are praying for things to work out, you know like you are praying for a relationship to come, or a healing in the marriage, or somebody to take care of you, spiritual love. I see Lily. So definitely you are trying to manifest love, money, career, or you are praying for these things to bring justice into your life, success into your life, love into your life. So definitely May is a wonderful month for you. I do see some of your wishes coming true, some of your, your prayers and being answered in this month. Magician is a very powerful card. It is a very powerful energy. So what you are asking or praying for, it will happen for you. Just don't lose your hope. Keep patience. Keep believing. Have the faith. You will get through. You will get what you want. So don't worry. That's interesting. Let's see what else is there. Wow, Three of Cups. Yes, I do feel some of you are in need of some friendships or some support. I do see it is coming your way in the month of May. So the May month will bring you friendships. Also, Mercury and Venus are in Gemini, so there will be a lot of talking. Love is about talking. Love is romantic relationships are talk, 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 because Geminis love to discuss their things. They live in their mind. So I do see that you will be spending more time with your friends, or you will want to make more friends in the month of May. I also feel some sort of a celebration is coming. Maybe who selected pile one, many of you have your birthdays in May, so congratulations, happy birthday. And I also feel that some sort of a good news will come to you, especially regarding a relationship. If you are waiting for a message from a person, yes, it will happen. It might happen in the mid of the month, but it will happen for you, so don't lose hope. I also feel that there is a friend who likes you. Maybe they are your friend or your friend's friends. They like you and they are trying to manifest you back in their life, or they haven't ever told you, so they are like, they want you as a lover, they want to date you, or they want to be in a relationship with you. So definitely some secret admirer is also coming for you, pile number one. I also see that pile number one, you're very busy in May, because you're working, and you're trying to achieve something. Your focus is to achieve something, maybe more money, or more success, but you will be successful, whatever you want to achieve, you will be able to achieve in some form. So success is there, definitely celebrations are there for you. The Chariot, yes, I do see some of you will be moving, shifting, traveling, or it is on your mind to travel, to shift. Some of you may also feel like if you can't travel, you will be a bit frustrated. You are like, oh, life is so boring, we can't travel, we can't shift, we can't relocate. But don't worry, you can at least plan it now and do it in the future, so don't worry about it. I also feel that in the month of May, whatever you are struggling with right now in April, you will come on top of it, friends. Yes, you will be anything that is stuck right now, it will shift in the month of May for you. If money is stuck, things will start moving in your favor in the month of May. If love relationships are stuck, things will resolve and love will start flowing. Communications will open with a lover or a family member. So don't worry. All is well. Whatever is stuck right now, it will start moving in the month of May. I also feel like your, point of views will also be, will be more balanced in the month of May, because I see right now you are like, nah, life is too bad. Life doesn't, life, I'm too lonely. Life is hard work. Life is tough. But I think you will feel more balanced mentally, emotionally in the month of May next month. You will feel more balanced, more positive, more open to friendships, more open to new ideas, more open to positivity, which is a wonderful thing. And the Emperor, look at that. An Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is important to you. You could be an Aries, Leo, Sag also. Yeah, I do feel, friends, your focus is definitely on taking charge of your life in the month of May. Whatever you fix your mind on, you want to achieve it. And I can assure you, you will achieve it, because your ambition is strong, your will is very strong, and you are a leader in the month of May, friends. Definitely, you can do it. And trust me, people are going to notice your power. People are going to notice your leadership skills. People are also going to notice that you have a lot of gift, a lot of wisdom, a lot of things you can, you have a lot what others want. So I do see if you're I don't know if you're looking for love or not, but people will be drawn towards you. All sorts of people are coming towards you. I also feel that if you feel why people are not helping you, it is because they see that you are very strong, very, very strong. So they feel like you are doing pretty good on your own. I know nobody is doing pretty good on their own. We all need some help, a little bit of support, even if it is like, yes, you can do it. That note. I think you will find that, friends. I do feel you will find an inspiration, and you will definitely take charge of your love life, your work or career or money situation. And trust me, you're gonna be very, very lucky. You're gonna be really good at it. Whatever you start and pick up in the month of May, you will become perfectionist at it. You will be very successful at it, and you will work with single-minded focus. So you are definitely very powerful. Even in your love life, friends, you are very powerful. People will notice your power. I do feel some of you are in twin flame relationships, and you will get many signs of your twin flame or messages from your twin flame. For others of you, I feel someone is in keeping you waiting. They are not talking to you, or you are in no contact or in a long distance relationship with this person. I do feel your person is a bit dominating, and I do feel that this is right now in April, the Aries season. So if this person is a fire sign, your person is a fire sign, they are definitely behaving egoistically and making you wait. But I think the tables will turn in your love life. If you will keep this person waiting in the month of May, and they will want a message from you. They will be trying to reach to you, but I feel our viewers will be very busy in the month of May, and you will be socializing, making some new friends. Even I do see a reunion for some of you, going out and meeting this person again, making things work out. But I do see a new love coming for most of you, or a new friendship. People want to know you. I also see new connections coming for you, friends. Yes, Ace of Cups. Your creativity is also very, very, very high in the month of May, friends. So start working, whatever is what you like: arts, craft, music, dancing. Maybe it could be anything. I don't know. Maybe I have no idea what kind of hobbies you do or prefer, but anything you start in the month of May, it will be lucky for you. You will find this faith. You will find your hope restored, your faith restored in the month of May. Something new will start for you: a new relationship, a new connection, or a healing of an old one, old connection, or a family situation. I also feel you will fall in love with your work, friends. If you are feeling very disconnected with your work, your career, or studies, you will fall in love with it again, and you will be like, yes, finally, again you are in love with the things you like. And the King of Rods, oh my god, Aries, Leo, Sag, the divine masculine is here. So, definitely, someone special has their eye on you in the month of May, friends. This person wants your they want to attract you, they want your attention. I also feel, friends, you are very powerful. Look at this pink rose. You are like this rose that everybody wants, luscious, beautiful, and. I do feel a twin flame relationship is very important to you in the month of May. Things are working, things are developing in this connection, or will develop in this connection. I also feel if someone put you in a third party, friends, they are definitely gonna regret it, because this person is watching you and they see you are glowing, you are going places, and they are like super jealous. They want to come back. They see you like this and they are like, I'm making my goal to be with you again, with our viewers again. So this person is, your person has a fixation about you, an obsession about you, so they definitely want you. And even I see a lot of sexual chemistry here with this King of Rods. So someone will be very this month May will be very sexually a lot of chemistry, a lot of attraction, a lot of lust. You will also have very lusty dreams, or this person, someone is lusting about you. So that is also there, which was, I was not expecting that, but it came through. So I have to say that. Let's clarify the King of Rods. What is this King of Rods about? I feel you're gonna take charge of your life, friends. Definitely. Nobody can stop you in the month of May. Even if things start slow, it will pick up and become very fast for you. Yes, by the 10th or 15th, the month will be picking pace for you. And then by the end of it, it will again slow down, because Mercury will be going retrograde and so will be Saturn. But in between, it is like gone in this way. This month is quick. Clarify the King of Rods, what it is about. Mountain, yes, you have some sort of a challenge in the month, or right now you are having some sort of a challenge, maybe like work challenge, money challenges, or relationship blocks, or maybe health issues. You gonna come out of it, friends. You gonna recover from it, and how, like a leader, like a winner, number 21. And that is important. I feel it is about communication. Number 21, 2 is about harmony, 1 is about leadership, taking charge. So you are going to come on top of your life, of anything which is bothering you right now. I feel some of you are really single, friends, and you need some friends, good people, or some friendships you can count on. Yes, you are going, someone very popular or someone very strong, a leader, a popular person is going to be your friend, or they are going to help you out. Maybe it could be a boss, a father figure, or somebody like that, or a mother figure. Don't take gender so seriously. So some people are like, what did you say, only father figure? What about the mothers? Of course, I'm with the women. I love you all. So yeah, so this is what was I saying? So definitely someone will try to help you, or you will find some sort of a support in the month of May, or you will also be in the position to help somebody, because everybody sees you like a leader. So you are also in the position to help somebody, friends, maybe a younger person, a younger a cousin, a sibling, or somebody, someone at work. You are definitely going to help somebody, and you will overcome a challenge that you have right now, or some you may face it in the month of May, so you will overcome it. Don't worry. Let's see. Door to romance, number 33. So I do feel, friends, this month love is opening for you. Love is coming for you in all sorts of ways, not just as love, but self love, new friendships, new connections, and messages of love. I also feel some of you are connecting more strongly with your spirit guides and spirit, or with spirituality in general. So you're falling in love with something, and it will help you to feel connected to the world at large. So you will, this is wonderful. Number 33, door to romance. So something exciting is gonna happen. It will open your eyes, it will open your mind, your heart. And look at that, number 36, second chakra, Archangel Ariel. So Archangel Ariel is the lioness of the angels. She's very strong angel, and she's very beautiful. She always comes with this golden aura, golden light energy. So don't doubt yourself, friends. You are super capable. If you have exams, don't doubt yourself. You're gonna top it. I know you guys, friends. You're gonna be very successful in your exams, or anything that's making you, that's anything that you feel like is too much right now. You will overcome it, and you will achieve it. I also feel, friends, creativity is another thing you need to watch out for. You will be very creative, and I think some of you can forget that you are very creative or talented. You can manifest, or also you can change, like if you have no work right now, or if work or business is slow, don't worry. You have a lot of creativity. Use that for now, because you may be thinking about the past too much, or what is not working, but you have to focus on what is working for you in the month of May. Creativity is one of those things. Your creativity is high, self-love is high, so use those things for good things, and be fearless. Take some charge, take some risk, be a leader. You have it in you. Be confident. I also feel some of you will fall in love with your own self, because you have been through a lot, friends. You have been through a lot, and this is the time to love yourself. Absolutely. Protection, yes, you are very protected, friends. Anything you desire or want, it will definitely manifest you. No goal is too big. And also, if you are moving in a new relationship or something and you are scared, can you trust that person? Yes, you are very protected. You are safe, God is watching you. And look at that, happiness. So happiness is coming for you in the month of May. Yes, I do see that the month will start slowly, but it will start to get very exciting for you and very passionate for you. And happiness is definitely coming for you. And let's see some love message, and then we're gonna see the advice for you. Or let's see the advice first. Which one? I wish you could tell me which one to choose. Let's take the advice, then the love message. All right, listen deeply. Ooh, so you definitely have some things on you, your heart is telling you something. Are you listening? I think your heart is telling you maybe it is time to rest a little bit in the month of May, especially at the start. Maybe you have been working too hard from last year or from many years. Maybe you are tired. Maybe you are not listening to it. Your heart is guiding you. Your heart is telling you something. Will you listen to it, friends? I hope you listen to it. Also, maybe a person who put you in third party, ghosted you, blocked you, they are trying to connect with you through dreams or messages, a twin flame. So listen to your heart, listen to your intuition, listen to your mind. In dreams, the dreams you have, the psychic dreams you have, listen to that. Let's see your love advice, then we're gonna look at your charms. Oh my God, chemistry. So there is a strong magnetic attraction here. I do feel you are attracting many people in the month of May. I also see someone will compliment you about your body, or you might compliment somebody about their body, their good looks. I see you are obsessed about someone's body, or they are obsessed about you. And I also feel there is a strong attraction, a strong relationship coming your way, or things getting better if you are already in a relationship. So, this is not just better. This is like Things getting steamy in the month of May. Sweaty, steamy, yes, friends. So let us see. Let's roll some dice now and see what will happen for pile number 1 in May. All right. Okay, so ooh, the teacup with the heart. So definitely I see some dates happening, or you going out with friends, a celebration happening, maybe in the family or within your friend circle, or someone is taking you out on a date or something. You also remember, take yourself out also for a date, like, just go and have some fun. Sit down and have a cup of tea or relax, or a cup of coffee and relax. Don't forget to just work. Don't forget to rest. Don't just work. I do see you can do that. Scooter, some of you may be buying a bike or something, or some automobile in the month, or you are planning to. You feel you don't have the enough money. You are planning to buy, some sort of a home, house, or something. Yes, you can manifest it. It will happen for you in the future. I also feel this is about traveling. Someone is traveling towards you. The scooter, someone is traveling towards you. They may be fond of bikes, some adventure, some excitement coming your way. Ooh, the plant. I see you are planting your dreams, friends, and they are surely going to reap a lot of rewards. So May is about starting something new, working, planting new seeds, and working on some new things, some new goals. And if you have already started something new, you can expect some growth, success. And the temple, the pagoda. Oh my God, friends. Yes, you are connecting with spirituality. You are also, this month, keep your life in balance. You will also, you will definitely want to be a leader. Don't want to rest. You feel like you can work all day, all night, but make sure to take some rest. Take care of your body also. And this temple could also mean, like, some holy events like a wedding, or a childbirth may also happen, or you may meet someone who has a marriage potential with you. So interesting. So that's it for now, friends, for the month of May. I will be doing more readings for May, so don't worry. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye for now. So for those who chose option number 2, let us see how your month of May will be, friends. If you chose this beautiful yellow rose, my God, it's beautiful. Oh my God, God bless yellow roses. They are amazing. Aren't they beautiful? And whoever made this, congratulations to them. And for you, friends, congratulations for choosing this wonderful rose. Let's see how your month of May will be. I'm super excited. And these are your cards, your oracle messages, some extra advice, and here are your charms. I'll be pulling them shortly. Let's see how your month of May will be. Let's dive into the reading. Whew. All right. Lots is happening, friends. When you start, I feel right now you are feeling like at a dead end. Nothing good is happening right now in your life, and you feel frustrated, and you feel like you are at the end of a tunnel. You feel like you have lost all hope, or a relationship or something is ending right now and in your life, or you're still recovering from something that has ended in the past. I feel right now you feel defeated, you feel hopeless, like life has no meaning for you, love has no meaning for you. You have lost hope in some way, friends. I don't know why you feel that way, but you feel like this night is very long. Look at this. The darkness in this card is looming till here. Almost half of the card is dark. So you are like losing hope. No wonder you chose this beautiful yellow, because this is a sign, a specific message, an important sign that yes, things will get better. Things will get better for you. Things are getting better for you. This is, if you're feeling hopeless, defeated, this is May will be different for you, friends. All these tough cycles, all these hopelessness, frustrations, troubles, worries will be ending soon for you, and something better will start for you. You know, you have been through the worst, but it will not get worse than this, friends. So hang in there, don't lose hope. I know you guys can do it, friends. Yes. And if something has ended for you, maybe a works, I also feel you are ready for a change, friends. Especially right now, you feel like you need to change something in your life, and yes, May, you are going to do that. Maybe leave a job, or leave a career, start a new career, start a new job, or leave a bad habit like quit smoking, quit caffeine, coffee. You know, you will quit something in the month of May and start something new and exciting, because that's what you want. Change is your mantra for the month of May. You're like, I want change, baby. Change is your middle name. So a new you is definitely coming, friends. Let's see what else will happen. All right. So, yes, you are definitely moving out of troubles, friends, in the month of May. Things will definitely be looking more positive. You will start feeling some relief, some hope. Wherever you are losing hope or faith, you will find balance. You will find some hope. You will find some support there. Challenges will be less in the month of May. I also feel some of you, the worries, the tensions, even your health will be better in the month of May. So, you can definitely, you will definitely feel happier. You will feel more relaxed. For some of you, I feel like you want to go abroad, or you want to travel abroad, or you are studying abroad but you can't travel or go back right now because of the world situation. Some sort of a relief will come. Something about studies is causing you worry, or work. Like you want to travel but you can't. You want to move but you can't. But it will be resolved, friends. Some sort of a solution will be coming out in the month of May, and you'll be like, wow, this was so easy. Why it didn't happen in April? You'll be like, wow, this solution is so nice. I wish it happened earlier. So don't worry if you are going through troubles right now. Good things are coming in the month of May. And what else? Some of you, I feel, are very upset with money situations, or a not work, a love relationship. I feel two things here. Some of you are very upset with money situation. Money is not coming your way. Some of you, or I feel like, pile number two, your May month is not just about change. It is also about relationships or interactions at your work and your love life. You are definitely frustrated with a love relationship. There has been an ending. You may have lost somebody, or there has been an ending in a relationship or a family dynamics, and you are very stressed about that. But I feel May will bring you healing, so don't worry. Six of Pentacles. Yes, you feel like, you give a lot to people, but they don't give you back. Someone is definitely giving you a cold shoulder. They are like, hey, they can move away from you, they can ignore you, but you still love this person, you still care for them. I also feel, friends, in the month of May, someone who was in long distance, no contact, or someone who was avoiding you, giving you a cold shoulder, they will be coming towards you and trying to work things out with you, because this is now, the ball is in their court. So now they have to take charge of this situation and, make the first move towards you. So that will happen. A balance in your love life is definitely going to happen. I also see another thing, a balance in your interactions, even at work. If someone owed you money and they were not giving it back to you, you will find a lot of money coming your way. Another thing is, if someone was not behaving well with you, they were arguing, they were fighting, you will find some relief there, definitely, and you will find some kindness from that person, so which will be surprise you, that, oh, this person is kind to us, they were fighting, arguing with us. This could be a family person, this could be a boss or a co-worker, this could also be a lover who finally finds the time to reply back to your messages. You will be surprised, you will be shocked by this new start coming your way. For others, I feel definitely this is a very grounded month for you. Right now, if you feel April was very shaky for you, you felt very shaken, but May will be very solid month for you. You will find your ground again. You will find your foundations are strong again. Your hopes and faith are restored. For some of you, money is also coming, friends. The money which was held back from you, money which was stolen from you, money which was not given to you, like a pay raise was not given, your allowances were not given, or you lost some money in shares, it is coming back. So, woohoo! So, what else? Let's see. I also feel some of you will be finding a stable connection in love. For some of you, I see it's 50-50. For some of you, this is a new person coming towards you who will be very generous with their time and affection. For others of you, this is the past person who left you. They will be coming with a new offer or more mature energy towards you, and they will want to commit to you or start things in a more mature way. So you will like this energy. You will feel like, okay, nice, you feel better. Seven of Cups, confusions, yes. So you will still feel a little confusion. You will still doubt your luck in May. Even though things will be good, you will be like, really? Are they good? I can't believe it. Why? Even if a new person is coming, I do feel you will have a little tough time to say yes or accept that person. Even if a new job comes, you will be like, should I accept it? Should I apply for a new job? So some confusions definitely are there in your mind. It is like, you are ready for a change, but you are still doubting yourself. Should you make this change or should you not make this change? Is it the right time to change or is it not the right time to change? So you have a lot on your mind because, of course, Sun will be moving into Gemini and Taurus. So definitely a lot of things are in your mind, definitely. And some sort of a confusion, some sort of a decision will be there to choose a new person, to choose love. Which one you want to choose? You will also have this choice between love and work. To choose what? Love or work? Relationships, family or work? A new lover or a past lover? So you have a lot of choices this month. Let's clarify the Seven of Cups. What is this Seven of Cups about? I also feel someone was not telling you they miss you. Someone was hiding their feelings from you. This past lover who had an ending with you, they will be coming back, trying to win you again because, this person hides their feelings. Clarify the Seven of Cups. Oh, one card dropped out. Let's see. Nice. Number 23. Yeah, I do feel someone wants to, someone wants to really, I don't know how to say, someone wants to offer you, put a bait on you, like, they want to offer you cheese, like, hey, let's make peace. Or someone may also offer you some exciting opportunities like, hey, I have something what you are looking for. Would you like to date me? Would you like to join me in work? So collaborations, yes, I see collaborations. Also, you will have, this tough time choosing what is important for you. Priorities, you have a lot of priorities. You also want to involve more time at your work and career. You also want to invest some time in love and relationships. So priorities. Which one will you choose? I also feel like someone will try to help you out, but you will have a tough time in accepting that love offer or that help because you are used to doing things alone. You are used to betrayal. But this time you can count on them because this person is a soulmate, this person is a soul friend. They are definitely coming towards you with the hope of love and with the hope of peace and with the hope of long-term future commitment. So definitely May is about soulmates, May is about renewals, May is about finding your hope back, finding solid stability, finding some... finding you are lucky. I do feel, friends, some of you will definitely find some extra money hidden somewhere in your old jeans pockets or somewhere, So yes, money is coming your way in mysterious ways. And I also feel love is coming your way. A soulmate is coming, a soul friend is coming. And it's 50-50. For some of you, it is a reunion with the past. For others, it is a new person. It may come through work, or it may come through some social media, or through your your, if you're a student, there may be somebody you study with. So love is coming, soulmate friendships, relationships are coming. And the Hanged Man, yes, I do feel, this month is a little slower for you, but this month is like, it is not a heavy month like April was for you. This is more like, that you are on a swing and enjoying your life. May is like that. May is like your point of view about life, about love and work is changing. You will feel more positive, and some hanged or paused or stuck situation will definitely be moving forward in the month of May. And this is with relationships, absolutely with relationships. So, if someone was keeping you stuck, you were not able to move from that loss or from that relationship, you will be able to do so in the month of May. In fact, you will also find new people coming towards you, new soulmates. For some of you, if someone left you hanging in between, they are coming back and they will offer peace and romance to you. Marriage is very important to you, friends, in this month of May. Marriage, commitment, loyalty, all those things are very, very, very important for you. So your focus is on long-term commitment, traditionality, also, doing the right things. You want somebody to be the right person for you and do things in the right way. Be this gentleman or this gentlewoman for you, be the right one for you. And I think you will find that right person, because you have the soulmate card, you have the Six of Pentacles, luck, fortune. For some of you, I do see that you might meet somebody on a matrimony site or something like that, or through family. If you had family issues, you will find relief. I do feel your family has some financial worries. You will find relief there. You will find relief there. I also feel you could be dating or meeting a lawyer, a judge, or someone who works in the public sector, like a library, or someone who is a school teacher, or someone who is a teacher, a very wise person. You will meet this person in the month of May. So good things. And also this month, your focus will change. Your focus will be very about positive, and you will try to think things, see things in a new way. And look at that, the Ace of Rods. So some sort of an excitement and a new start is definitely coming for you in the month of May. You also have Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Rods. So I do see that, you will find your mojo back. If you're missing out on, oh my God, life is so tough, you will feel by the end of May, you will be like, life is fun. So you will find that. You will find that. I also feel some of you are dealing with health issues. Friends, you will recover, you will recover. Just become a bit more passionate about life, about being alive. The universe is full of opportunities. The universe is very big. Our problems often feel big, but if you keep an open mind, something exciting will reveal itself to you. Your health. Some of you will be changing your diet in the month of May because you have this yellow. So I do see you'll be spending some time in sunshine, walking, going on treks or something, hikes, gymming. Some of you could be starting to cycling, in the month of May, changing your diet, changing your hair color. Some of you could be going vegetarians. Not that I judge about that, it's just something I'm getting right now. You are quitting dairy. I told you, quitting a bad habit. You are quitting dairy or milk products, or maybe you are quitting smoking or negative thinking. All this will lead to a better health and better positivity. So you will feel woohoo, great, awesome. And look at that. The King of Pentacles. I do feel a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important for you, friends. I do feel in the month of May, you are you are really blessed. Your material, emotional needs will be taken care of. Someone, you will feel like the universe is trying to help you. You will feel assisted. You will feel protected. I also feel someone very rich, someone very exciting, or someone very emotionally rich is coming towards you. You may end up getting married. Sorry, friends, getting married with this person. Or this person will want to have a long-term commitment with you. I also feel if this person could have been married, or you were married once, it didn't work out. either you or them were once married to somebody else, but I do feel that you still have a chance of love again in this lifetime, you know. So maybe this person was married once, or you were married once now, and you know, you parted ways, but you know, things will work out with this new person, so get ready. Let's see, so what else? Oh, fifth chakra, Archangel Gabriel. My God. So, communications are very important, friends. I do see that your body will be healing, your mind will be healing. You will definitely feel very positive this month. In fact, much more positive compared to April. I also feel some sort of messages are coming. If you like somebody, you should also take some action, friends. This is a month where you also need to take action because you have the doubt. You are confused. So if somebody comes in, you might not accept it, like a job offer. But if you apply and then their job offer comes to you, like, hey, you applied and we want to hire you, so you will say yes because I applied. So, you know, communications are very important, and signs, divine messages are also very important in this month for you. Let's see what else. Financial constraints, yeah, number 13. Yeah, I do feel that for some of you, I feel somebody around you is having financial constraints or financial issues, like your family, your husband, your wife, your twin flame, or your parents. You know, someone else is having money issues in the family. You are worried about them. It will be resolved, so don't worry, it will be resolved. Delight, yeah, you will find something to get excited about in the month of May, so stay positive, don't lose hope. And change, yes, I do feel you will be changing your diet, changing your health, changing your sleeping routines, improving your life in some way, and a positive relief, end of worries, burdens lifted is coming. This is like the hot air balloon, so yes, troubles lifted. Let's see some advice for you, then we're gonna look at the charms. Ooh, divine timing. So definitely, if you are asking why certain things have not happened till now, it is because, friends, divine timing is at work in your life. Your lover is supposed to meet you now in the month of May, or the reunion is supposed to happen now in the month of May. I also feel that May is an important month for you, friends. Maybe you lost somebody in April last year or something, and you are recovering. I do see that divine timing is at work and things are about to get better. You know, May is the month where everything starts to fall in place for you. Let's see your love message. Ooh, romantic feelings. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. So if you are feeling, my feelings are just casual, this person doesn't love me, they are just casual. No. No, no, no. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. See, I do feel some soulmate. Angels are trying to bring a soulmate into your life, but you will have a tough time saying yes to them or accepting them. Like, is this real? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Divine timing. So let's see some charms for you. Pile number 2. What will happen for them in May? Ooh, grapes, fertility, friends, fertility. Yes, you're gonna be fertile. Also, if you have money issues, remember fertility. Money is coming your way. Grapes are a sign of abundance, prosperity. You could also be attracting a lover which is very rich or very, emotionally very caring, giving. So yes, light bulb, This is like an aha moment happening for you. You finding what you were looking for, something, some exciting event will happen, or some idea will come which you were waiting for. A message will come. Yes, take care of your eyes, friends. I do feel like you could be working too much, so take care of your eyes. I also see like you will see clearly things. You will have this clear vision about yourself or about your future. And I think people are noticing you. Someone is eyeing you, like a new lover or a past lover. And look at that. What is this? Octopus, I feel. Yeah, it looks like an octopus, isn't it? Yeah, definitely. So octopuses are very strong. They have a regeneration ability. So you are also same. Your life can shift any day, any minute. Miracles happen every day, friends. So believe in that. Regeneration, transformation, positive changes. So that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye bye. So, beautiful angels, if you choose option number 3, let us see how your month of May will be. If you chose this beautiful blue flower, it's very beautiful, and it's about it feels like a sort of a awakening. Blue is the color of the throat chakra, and also clarity, the sky, something infinite. So let's see how your month will be. These are your extra oracle messages and advice and your cards, and I will also be pulling some charms. So let us see, friends. I'll keep them here. Let's see how your month of May will be. Let's see. All right. So right now, friends, you're definitely a bit confused. I definitely feel April has been a very emotional month for you. You feel a bit into your emotions. A lot of, even when you start May, things will be very emotional. You will feel a lot of emotions, a lot of spirituality, a lot of dreams, signs, messages. You're also looking at the deeper meaning of life. You are trying to look and think deeply about some situation in May. So, definitely that is happening. And also, I feel this is an emotional month for you. The month of May, where your emotions are high and you will feel very attached to something, maybe a dream, a goal, or a person. So, very much fixated, very much attached. This is also the Scorpio energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person this month, or you could yourself be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I also feel this month you are very creative, and your emotions are definitely high. So I do see you are very fixated about some issues. You will think deeply about everything in life. And you start the month on an emotional note. Yes, the Hermit. I also feel this month you will also be a little less on the social media. You will spend more time on yourself, reading books, learning something, getting more information, getting more messages, looking deep into situations. So you will be spending more time away from people, more with yourself, and also into one-on-one intimate relationships. So definitely, you are more this is a very spiritual month, I feel, for you, friends. You are looking deeply into things. I also feel if there is some confusion right now, you will be able to find a solution of that in the month of May. So, congratulations. I also feel that in this month, if something has been hidden from you, some sort of information, something will come to light in the month of May that has been hidden from you. Maybe a person was hiding from you, or they were hiding their love. Maybe the person was a stranger, they were in a cave, like literally they were away from you, they just disappeared from your life. They might come back to you in the month of May. I also feel what is hidden from you right now will be revealed to you in the month of May. So it is a powerful energy. You will be focused more on yourself, on being with yourself, working all night, and being less social. That's how I feel, because you're very sensitive. You could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. You could be dealing with these sun signs in the month of May. So yes, and look at that, the Two of Wands. So yes, you are trying to definitely balance and become more stable in the month of May. Yes, I do feel this month will be very, it will start on an emotional note, but it will pick up and become more balanced for you in the middle of the month. Things will definitely pick up. You will be taking a very mature way of life. You will be thinking maturely. You'll be very patient with yourself also in May. So you are like the elder brother, the elder, you're behaving like a wise person in the month of May. You are kind to yourself, you are patient, and you are like, yes, you have a very mature approach to everything in life in May, which is wonderful. You are seeing things differently in a mature, spiritual, higher purpose kind of a way. So if some of you could also be looking why you are changing your higher, what is your higher purpose, who you were in your past life, what is this person, a soulmate, a lover, who are they, these bigger questions are on your mind in the month of May. And the lover, so I do feel, yes, there is a love relationship coming your way. I also feel in this month there will be choices in love coming for you. And there is somebody, a hermit from the past, someone who disappeared from the, some, you may find a lost lover back again, or someone who disappeared from you. They will connect back with you, but you will be like, should you take them or should you not accept them? So that is on your mind. Again, also, I feel one of the questions in your mind in May will be, is it love or is it lust? Because I do see there is a lot of chemistry, there's a lot of passion in your love life, but you will also want to be in a deep commitment with that person. You want deep conversations as well as deep love, you know what I mean? So you want everything. So there is this thing, is it love? Is it lust? Is it soulmate? Is it something else? Definitely choices, 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 decisions, decisions, decisions. I do see a lover coming back and more mature to you, someone who ghosted you, someone who blocked you. You have a very strong telepathic connection with this person. They will come back or they will try to reach out to you through signs, dreams, messages. I do see they might even call you or visit you in the month of May. So that is going to happen. Ten of Pentacles, yes. Financial security is also very important to you in May. So you are working to invest your finances or, double your finances in some way. I also feel that family is also very important for you. So you are keeping your family and your love life separate from each other because you don't want to mix, two volatile things together. I do see that some of you could be secretly dating somebody, not telling your family, or someone is secretly dating you. They are not telling their family, they are keeping it a secret because they want to protect you from something, I feel. And this is like a very deep connection. So some of you are like, you are enjoying this, you are enjoying. There is this charm in this secrecy. And also you are trying to build this connection to reach the potential of marriage. So it could be a new romance or something that starts as attraction but it builds into something of a relationship. So you want to protect it and you want to be sure until you tell your family about these things. So yeah, so definitely. And also money or investing, friends, money is also on your mind in May, but you are trying to invest, you are trying to like double the 5 into 10. So investing your money is very important for you. And you will also keep both things separate, your love life, your work life, your family and your love life. You want to keep things separate. For some of you, if you are married, you may also hear from, if you were in living in separate cities with your husband or wife, you were in different cities, you will hear back from your person, your husband, your wife, your twin flame. I also feel some of you could travel towards a family or the family will travel towards you. So guests are coming. I don't know if you want them because you are a hermit. So you don't want to socialize, but guests are coming. 10 of Cups. Yes, I do see a family anniversary, a happy marriage or some happy event happening in the family, some birthdays or some celebrations happening in the family, all the family gathering together. I also feel in the month of May, something will happen which will make you feel very happy. And it will make you feel like, happy tears are coming in your eyes. So you will feel overwhelmed, you will feel happy. Like this blue rose, it is exotic, this movement, this happiness. So congratulations. Some of you could also be getting engaged in the month of May. Or you may meet somebody in the month of May and you may get engaged in December. I keep hearing December. So you meet now, but get married in December. 6 of Wands. I do see some sort of a promotion also coming your way or some sort of a award, a reward, a compliment, some money, some payment hikes, something good is coming your way, some clarity, some sense of purpose, some direction coming into your life. So you're gonna feel very proud of yourself. I also feel some of you definitely want to change your life path or your life, lives. You want to know what is your life's purpose, or why you are on earth, all those bigger questions are on your mind, but you will find the solutions, friends. Also, you can have a personal reading with me or with any of the good psychics. There are so many of us, amazing people, amazing you, amazing us. There are also other gifted psychics. We recommend everybody, friends. If you feel drawn to them, me or anybody else, go for a reading, because you will find the solution what you are looking for. There are bigger questions in your mind in the month of May, but you will find the solutions and you will start working on them. So it will help you to achieve some success, some promotion. Also, some relationship will get back on track and you are like, finally it is happening after a wait 10 years of wait, after like 10 months of wait. So you are like, finally things are moving. So congratulations. So let's clarify, what is this Six of Wands about? Okay, mountain. Yeah, you have some challenge right now. You will be able to overcome it. You will be successful in overcoming. Also, if you have an exam, it will come out very well. The results will be great in your favor. Also, if you are waiting for some projects or some payment or promotions, yes, it will go in your favor. Tower, yes, solid foundations. Number 19. Something which was taken away from you, it will be returned back to you in the month of May. So yes, or something better is coming in its place. So congratulations. Also, friends, in the month of May, I feel your intuition will be very strong. The moon. So listen to your intuition. Don't forget to listen to your intuition. Clarify the Tower. Okay, can we have one card? Okay, the Snake. Number 7, transformation. Yeah, big transformations are happening. I do feel some of you are in twin flame relationships or a very important connection, or I feel you yourself are spiritually awakening, or somebody else is shifting. A divine masculine, a feminine, a twin flame, a soulmate, a lover. They are shifting, they are changing, they are transforming, becoming better. Let's clarify the lovers. What is this lovers about? In the month of May, what is this lovers about? I do feel you are changing, friends. You are transforming. So your life will also be shifting towards goodness. Stars, wishes coming true. So definitely, I feel you are a wish come true for somebody, a person, a connection, or they are a wish come true for you, and it will happen. A big change, a big shift, a transformation is going to happen in May. And also, don't forget, we have a full moon eclipse, lunar eclipse in May, around the 23rd or something, I guess. And you have a full moon, so woohoo. So yes, it's a big month for you. It's a powerful month for you. Whatever you wish, it will come true for you, friends. So don't worry. The Queen of Pentacles. Yes, friends, I do feel that you will start the month in deep thoughts about what you need to do, but you will come out as feeling proud and very like you have achieved something. I do feel that something will happen which will make you feel you're proud of yourself, you're well done, you're very happy about yourself. So something like that is going to happen. I also feel a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important to you. And I also feel that you're gonna win something. You have been waiting or aching for this victory since a long time. Like you have been waiting for this marriage or this commitment or this person to return back and express their love. Or you have been waiting for success in work or your studies. Yes, you're gonna achieve it in May and you're like, finally it's there. Three of Pentacles. Yes, people will definitely want to know you. They will want to talk to you a lot because you are very, people are emotional. They need your guidance, they need your support, and you are like this rooted person. You are like this tree which is rooted in a storm, and everybody is like, oh, they are the one, so everybody will try to ask you for some sort of a help. They want to talk to you, they want to know your ideas, they want to know what is going on in your life. They want to help you, they want to support you, they want your help, they want your support, and people are more willing to cooperate with you in the month of May. If you are doing things alone, I would say that yes, people will be more cooperative. Friends, family, co-worker, husband, wife, this lover, whoever who was, gone, disappeared, they will try to work things out with you in this month. So it's a great month. I feel you are in a very solid position. You start very emotionally this month, but you get very mature. You find the solutions, and then you reap some success. And look at the answers you get in this month. They will change your life. Look at the vision, look at the focus in this queens. You will feel very proud of yourself. I also feel if some of you are parents, you will feel your children will make you feel very proud. So you will definitely enjoy. Some of you could also be getting pregnant this month. So woohoo, congratulations. Expansion in family. Working things, making the magic. Yes, and Three of Wands expansion. Yes, friends. This month will definitely expand your life, or your thoughts will be about expanding your life, your career, maybe travel a bit more, learn something about a new culture, learn a new art. So you are definitely trying to learn, trying to expand yourself, your money, your love life. This month is about expansion for you, and positive expansion, good expansion. Let's see what else. Action number 17. Yes, I do feel once in the start of the month you will feel a little confused, or you will be waiting to know the right answers or the right direction. Once you find it, you will take action towards it. I also feel someone will be making a move towards you, a soulmate, a relationship, or an opportunity of work. I also feel some of you could be modeling this month, or you could get an offer to model or take some pictures. Someone is very interested in taking a picture, or collaborate with you in some way. So collaborations are high. People are noticing you. They want to take action towards you. Journey number 2. Yes, I feel some of you definitely are leaving the past old baggage and stepping into something new, a new you. I also feel some of you are, at a crossroads. So maybe this month you will not move, but by the next month you will be definitely shifting, relocating, or also, moving in with another person, or they moving in with you. So a lot of things are happening there about movement, travel, relocation, shifting, all those things. And let's see what else. Community. So you are definitely going to find your own people or your own community. If some of you are, I think some of you are going through some issues about your gender or sexuality. Maybe you are young, maybe you are a teenager, or your children are. So they are going to find their way through. If someone is going through some confusion, they will find their way through, and they will find people who are perfect for them. Even you will find people who are your community, your soul tribe, your soul friends. So that is there. Some of you were asking, why do I bring these things up, these same-sex things and all those, because there are all kinds of people in our world, and all kinds of miracles are happening every day, friends. So we try to include everyone in our readings, and they are the messages. Spirit gives messages for everyone. They do not differentiate, and nor can I differentiate, because that's not my job. I can only say things which are told to me, so I'm saying whatever is told to me. So yes, you are going to find some soulmates, some community, some lost friends coming back, lost lover coming back, and lots of blessings. Transformation. Things are definitely transforming for you, friends. Some of you are definitely gonna start this month feeling emotional, but ended with a lot of stability. I also feel you are going to figure out what is your life purpose. Whatever confusion or whatever is hidden from you, you are going to figure it out. I also feel some relationship or something is transforming in your life. Like you are single, you may get married. You are married, you may get a baby. Some sort of a transformation. You are living in one room, you may get a bigger bungalow, you may get a villa in the future. So you are thinking like this. You are thinking about north, but this blue rose is about awakening the mind. You start thinking about the universe now. So big changes, big shifts are coming. Let's see some advice for you, then we're gonna look at your charms. Let's just clarify what this transformation is about. I see it is about your mind opening up, you getting ready to change move to a different culture, a country, a different city also. So big changes. Fox, number 14. Wow. I do feel, friends, I do feel someone who was betraying you, their true colors will be revealed. Or if someone was immature, they are going to definitely mature, and also your intuition is gonna really be sharp this month. So get ready, lilies. Yes, spiritual love. I think someone was not telling you how much they love you, or they are going through a transformation in this month. They are your twin flame, your husband, wife, soulmate, or somebody new coming in your way. So get ready for it. Your intuition will be clear about what to do. You will be able to understand if someone was lying, you will know that. Also, someone who was very foxy kind of how do I say this? If someone was being a hermit, they definitely will realize you are the one for them. So let's see some advice for you. Healing energy. So you are healing, friends. You are healing big time. Your energies are opening up, your mind is opening up, you are learning new things. Some of you could be connecting with crystals, energies, you could also be learning a lot about money, how money works, how you are learning about many things, and you are healing on many levels in this month. So you should save this reading because it's very important, and it has very layered messages, so you should listen to it again. Let's see your romance angels. Oops. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. So definitely, friends, you just need to decide, and it's gonna happen like boom, 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 boom. It happens for you. So very soon something amazing is going to happen for you. I feel this is not just about love but your life in general. So let's take the charms now. All right, let's see, angels, what's gonna happen for pile number 3 in the month of May. Ooh, a message of love. So someone is definitely going to message you, or you are going to message them, and love messages of love, proposals of love are coming. So you just need to decide what you want, and it will happen, friends, for you. The horse, lucky horseshoe. So you are very lucky, friends. Whatever you do this month, it will turn to gold. I do see money coming your way. So woohoo, you also have healing energy. So money is coming. Health is healing, mindset is healing. Oh, the dove, the parrot. So I do see a lot of communications. This is the month about sorry, friends, a month about communications. Parrot is like learning something new, talking about it, sharing your knowledge, sharing your wisdom. Some of you could start teaching this month. Congratulations. Ooh, again a letter. So my god, messages are a big theme. Some of you could start again online working. Some of you could make mint a lot of money in your businesses. I also feel some important emails are coming for you, friends. Make sure to check your spam because Mercury will be going retrograde. You may miss some important messages. So don't do that. Don't do that. I'm telling you beforehand so you can thank me later. So make sure to subscribe Magic Vends Tarot, like and share. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye for now.